Percentages using a calculator. There are two methods to do this. We're going to look at both. Let's start off, however, with our question. Our question is, I want to find 43% of £120. Our first method then. Well, our first method, we want to change 43% to a decimal. So to do this, we take 43 and we divide by 100. Use your calculator to do this and you'll get the answer 0.43. At this point, all you do is take this answer and multiply by the amount of money that you were looking for the percentage of in the first place. So our next line of working is simply going to be 0.43 multiplied by 120. If you put that into your calculator, you'll get an answer of 51.6. Now you're not quite finished because remember, you're dealing with pounds and pence here. So to make sure your answer looks the part and is written down correctly, you have to remember to add the pound sign in at the start, then your £51. After the decimal point, to represent the pence correctly, there needs to be two digits. The 6 is representing the tens, so you need to fill in a 0, so that you get your final answer of £51.60. Okay, method 2. Well, method 2, this time we're going to change the percentage to a fraction. Now before we do that, a reminder, there are other videos that you can look at to go into this in more detail, but a reminder that percent means out of 100. So, if you're going to change 43% into a fraction, you would do it like so. 43% is equal to 43 over 100. And as with method 1, you take this here and you multiply it by the amount of money you were working with in the first place to give you your answer. 43 over 100 multiplied by 120. Now when you're using your calculator to carry out such a calculation, you can do it in any order you like. You can start with 43, divide by 100, press your equals button, and then multiply by 120. Press the equals button again, and you'll get your answer. In this case though, we're going to start with 120, remembering that on the bottom of a fraction you're dividing. So, you would have 120 divided by 100, and remember you multiply by the number on top of your fraction, so we're going to multiply by 43. Put that into your calculator, and once again, as with method 1, you get an answer of 51.6. Again, remind yourself to finish the question off properly, that you have to add in the pound sign and make sure that you have the pounds correctly written as well as the pence, which means adding the 0 in at the end. There's your final answer, £51.60. Key points to remember to finish off then: if you're going to change your percentage to a decimal, you do it by dividing by 100. If you're going to change the percentage to a fraction, then you take your percentage and you put it over 100. And key above all else, remember that percent means out of 100. Thanks for watching.